Good news to everyone watching this video, because YouTube has changed their monetization policy. Yay! There are new rules and regulation of you getting monetized right now. So it is no longer 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers as you usually know. It has reduced, okay? And aside reduced, there are other things that YouTube actually added that some persons are not talking about, and I actually want to talk about it. So looking forward to make money on YouTube, just know that initially you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, but right now it's not like that, and I'm going to be doing this breakdown of these two categories. If this is the first time you're tuning in into my video, don't forget to hit on my subscribe button, because on this YouTube street I'm trying as much as possible to help you grow on your YouTube journey and how you can also make money online. All of that being said, let's just get right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. I'm just going to go ahead and start my screen record, okay? So, and I'll be doing a silent screen record as usual. You guys already know me when it comes to silent screen record. And yes, I'll be using this channel that is not yet monetized. So let me just go directly to that channel, which is this my baby girl's channel that is not monetized. You can see that channel just have 15 subscribers and 6 views. So if I click on this monetization button, this dollar sign you are seeing, you can see what they wrote here. They said, become a YouTube partner. Start your earning journey. Earn income while connecting with your fans and gain access to support forum and creators tools, and of which you'll be entitled for membership, which is create a fan club of members paying monthly to access your exclusive perks, and then super chats, engage with fans who show support through one-time interactive purchase, and then shopping, share products across your channel from your own store. And then for you to be able to meet up with this, you need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour within the last 1 year, and then you need to have 3 million views from your short. So that is to say, if you have 3 million views coming from your short, not just one short, any kind of short, okay, or you have 500 subscribers and then 3,000 watch hour, YouTube is going to monetize you. Then let's move to the second monetization process before we talk everything that you guys need to know. For the second monetization process, they said continue to grow, watch paid ads, which is earn from ads, and YouTube premium on watch ad page. And then the second one, they said short feed ads, earn from ads, and YouTube premium in short feed. And the eligibility for you to get monetized using this is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour within the next 365 days, and then 10 million views coming from your short videos. Okay, so yes, these are two different monetization policy, and I'll just go ahead and explain the first one before the second one. So the disadvantage of you monetizing with the first one, which is the 500 subscribers and then the 3,000 watch hour or the 3 million public shots, is that you are not going to be getting ads revenue, okay? You are only going to be getting membership and super chat and then shopping, okay? This is to tell you that if you monetize using the 500 subscribers and the 3,000 watch hour, the only thing that you're entitled to is just membership. And then for you to get membership and super chat, I just feel like people need to fall in love with your content. That is just the honest truth. Let's just be sincere with ourselves. And for people to be able to super chat you, you seriously need to be going for live stream always, or your videos need to have that, I don't know, that spike that will make people drop like thank you, like thanks, this thing that you can just drop on someone's video, okay? So you are not going to be making money from the ways we are making money, which is advertisers putting ads on your videos, and then you're not going to be making money with that. Okay, so don't get yourself confused, and that is why I'm explaining this into detail. And then if you monetize with the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour, that is when you're going to be getting the main revenue. The main revenue in the sense that you just go ahead and post your videos, and when people watch your videos, advertisers place ads on your videos, you are going to make money. That is to say, even without super thanks, even without membership, even without you having a shop online with YouTube, you are definitely going to be making something coming out of your videos. Okay, that is the two different steps when it comes to the new YouTube monetization policy. And the advantage there is, if you monetize with your YouTube 3,000 watch hour and your 500 subscribers or your 3 million public view, at least people will be able to like do some things that ordinarily they can't do on your videos. I see a lot of people come into my live stream and be like, oh Sonia, someone said he wants to give me super chat, and here and there the person cannot give me super chat because I am not monetized. So if you have your 500 subscribers and then you have your 3,000 watch hour or your 3 million short view, you can just go ahead and activate all of that so that these things, which is a super chat, will actually not pass you. Then the advantage when it comes to the 4,000 watch hour is I can just go to sleep. I can post a video, go to sleep, and that video is making money for me without stress. You can see that I've said the disadvantages and then the advantage when it comes to these two procedures. So someone might ask me, what do you want us to do? Which do you prefer we monetize with? If you ask me, to be honest, I prefer you to monetize with the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour, because if you are not a live stream kind of person and you are not people don't really fall in love with your content, all of these things you're going to be doing is just like you not also getting money at the same time. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but if you're able to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour, you're able to strive, you're able to make sure you get that height, definitely you are going to meet them. Because let's just look into this issue as a whole. This is just a difference of extra 500 subscribers and extra 1,000 watch hour. So I was asking myself, if YouTube actually wanted to do this to like help we the content creators, why not bring the subscribers down to like 200 subscribers and then the 3,000 watch hour to like 2,000 or 1,000 watch hour, and then the public short view to like probably 1 million. I think it will have been more easy for people to be able to get this. But bringing 500 and bringing 3,000 and bringing 3 million is as the same thing as me waiting to get monetized with my 4,000 watch hour and my 1,000 subscribers, where I can simply just go to sleep and then get all of these things done. Like simply just go to sleep and then still be able to make money, instead of waiting until I get super chat. There are sometimes we go on live stream, spend 2 hours on that live stream without getting super chats, without even getting membership. A lot of people, over 18,000 subscribers on my channel, I don't even know how many persons are members. They are not even up to 1,000 persons that are members. And if you also get monetized using this membership of this 500 and the rest of that, how do you get to withdraw your money? Okay, because you also need, for you to also need to withdraw your money, you also need to meet up that $100 threshold. And how many super chat are people going to give you for you to meet up the $100 threshold? Yes, I'm not telling you that you should not do it, okay? So as some persons will not be like I'm discouraging them. You can go to some live streams and then you're seeing super chats over $100, over $200. If you feel like your channel can actually bring all of that to you, please go ahead and monetize, because I'm not here to discourage you for disclaimers. Nobody should come to my comment section and be like, why are you discouraging us? Okay, I'm just here to air out my unopinionistic opinion, if there's any words like that. So choose the one you prefer. This is the breakdown analysis, and yeah, I decided to like show you guys so that you guys will be able to see the difference between this monetization, the disadvantage between this monetization, the advantages, and then the payouts of this monetization. So which do you think is better for you? Let me know in the comment section. Which do you think is preferable? Which do you think you are definitely going to be going for? If you have 500 subscribers, 3,000 and 3 million, will you be monetizing? I want to know in the comment section. If you are those kind of person that, oh, we need to wait to get to our 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, no matter how difficult it is for us to get monetized. Also, let me know in the comment section. You guys know that I always like to hear your opinion. If you have any video requests for me and you want me to actually do for you, please try as much as possible to drop it for me in the comment section, because I try my best to interact more in the comment section and also on my community, so that we can actually get our YouTube journey to that successful level. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I will see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.